Hi everyone, this is Cindy, Create the Heart, and what you see in front of you is a big mess. It's a haul. So let me go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys is I finally picked these up. I've been wanting these. These are the Aqua Shimmer glitter pens from Nuvo. And I know I've got those other ones, the Wink of Stella, and I gotta tell you, I like the glitter on them, but these look like they have more shimmer in them. So I want to do a little test and see if they do. Let's see, what else do I have here?
I got a new trash can.
I did get a new trash can. That wasn't the big news to share. I got a small order from Paper Trey Ink. This big thing right here. And with shipping, it was $30 because I spent some money on shipping. $7 on shipping. So let's see if everything that I ordered is even in this big mess. It looks like it is. I mean, I got so much stuff and I need to put it away, but I wanted to share it first. So there is that. The first is this Holiday Sparkle stamp set, and you can't see it really well because of how they do their packaging. I got to tell you that if Paper Trey Ink had better packaging, I would probably buy from them more. I just don't like the way they do their packaging. I don't like the CDs. I just don't like it. I wish they just did traditional packaging because it's just awful. So anyway, this is what the stamp set looks like. And basically those little dot spots are places that you would put a sequin or some kind of gem, some kind of sparkle there. But this stamp set was only $3. So it's pretty amazing. So $3 for the stamp set. So I did get that. These monthly moments, this is the October journal card collection. I thought this would go really well with October Daily. And then I'm going to have cards left over. But this was $2. So that's why I got that one. And then the dies. So I got two dies. One is this Loopsy Daisy die. So I'm going to have to show you guys what this looks like. But basically, it makes a big bow that, you know, you can layer and you can put on packages. I don't know they would work on a card unless it's a focal point because it makes a pretty big bow. And so this is $10. And then this is the favorite box 8 die. So it kind of makes like the English cracker style box, you know how you, yeah, the ones with little ends on the bottom. So I'm going to have to go ahead and demo that as well. But anyway, that one was $8, normally a fortune. So those were amazing. And then I have two orders, I think. I don't know if these are two orders or one order. I think it's one order, but it's a lot. So if any of you guys have watched my other videos where I used the background stamps, they had all those background stamps on clearance for 40% off at, maybe it was even 50% off at CC Designs. So you can get them for a steal. Of course, right after I bought them, but never mind. I was supporting a small business, which I love. But they were on sale. I mean, this might actually be two orders. This is one order right here. Okay, so this giant die, I did not know it was so giant. I don't know why I didn't know that, but I guess I didn't. I have no idea how I'm even going to store this sucker. It's All of You alphabet. It's huge. Normally $32. It was on sale for $16. So yeah, I think it was 50% off. So $16, and you get the numbers and the letters, and they are totally huge. But I know I'm going to find a use for that because I can. I'm going to. Then I got a couple of background stamps. So this one is a Paris one, Paris background stamp. It was normally $14, and it was on sale for $4.90. So I did pick that one up, as well as the paw print, $4.90, and the paw print background stamp, which, I'm sorry, the plaid background stamp, was also $4.90. So I got that. And then these were on clearance. I went ahead and picked these up because I thought that I don't have this, so probably one will be for me, but definitely be using them maybe as giveaways, or when I do Happy Mail, but the stamp set was 98 cents and the die was 53 cents. So I couldn't resist. So I got 3 of those. I didn't want to go too crazy with that. So I did get those. And then I did another order. And this was 43% off. She gave me a cute little magnet on here. Probably because I buy so much from her. But anyway, it was 43% off of the list price for these. So I did get some cool stuff that I'm excited about. The first is this really cute stamp set. It's called Halloween. And it has these super sweet girls, little like witch and vampire in the cauldron. And I'm loving that one. And then this one is the haunted house. And I also got the haunted house outline die, and I also, that other one didn't have a die. I got the die and stamp set for this one, which is the August and September. Their fall set. It's like back to school and fall stuff. Super cute. And the die. And I also got their stencil. And this does a cloud. 2 different types of clouds, I believe, and then 2 types of grass. So I did get all of that, and they were at a discount as well. It's 43% off for that. I forgot the stickles was 98 cents. It's black stickles. So I did get that because why not? So those are my hauls. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Playing with the Heart.